Microphone was off. We're good now. So, what's up? It's been a while. It's been a while. So, I was trying to make more Datsun videos, but once I got it running, I was like, let's just keep driving it. So I haven't really been working on it too much, but as you saw in the opening scene there, I started welding on the back, and it's not the prettiest. I'm gonna end up covering it up. Most of the light bezel covers up where I'm gonna be welding up against the body, so I'm not too worried about it. And then there's a place called Hot Rod Chop Suey that I believe I'm gonna be ordering a back uh, pan for, and you can either get them in fiberglass or carbon fiber, but I think I'm gonna go with the fiberglass because I'm just gonna paint it over it and kind of keep it all matching colors, I think. But yeah, I'll show you what I have done so far. So right here, they're little sloppy welds. I'm gonna go over them again and hit them again. But this is all I felt like doing tonight. I'm still getting a couple blow throughs there, but I should be able to get those a little bit better. Not the prettiest welds, but really what I care about is getting these smooth right here, this part smooth, and this part smooth, and then the pan that Hot Rod Chop Suey has kind of covers up the whole back. So I am going to try to patch this big hole right here too. That's kind of what this new piece of metal's for, is so I can have a place, and then I'm going to try to pre-bend it so it has this 90 on it. So I'll either pre-bend it and go up underneath and then weld on top, and then try to sand it down so it's smooth like that. I wasn't going to try to bend a piece of metal and fuck it up. But yeah, that's where I got to so far tonight. And then I had some updates. I'm probably going to be doing another video this weekend, but actually my battery's disconnected, so I can't show you. But I'll make it a surprise. If you've seen my Instagram posts, I got new blinkers in my grill, and they're actually truck lights, like for a semi truck. So I'll be trying to do that video this weekend, but this is the state that this car is in right now. My Easy EFI system's been working all right. After I got the fueling stuff figured out, I still need to mess with the PSI a little bit. Finally have a gauge in the right spot, so it's fun. Control my pressure right there, and got a fuel rail and all GM injectors, so it's an interesting system. It's definitely not my favorite. I might end up changing it, but I'm happy with how it is right now. So I guess, yeah, my plans are right now, priority stuff is just get this hole sealed up in the back, get it looking decent, and then ordering the back pan from Hot Rod Chop Suey, which you can either get with, it says Datsun on the back, or you can just get totally smooth. I'm kind of leaning towards Datsun, but at the same time, I think I'm going to be taking all the emblems off this, because, I mean, I really like it without all the emblems. It looks pretty cool, which means I'm going to have to weld up the holes right there, but I already welded up the holes on this side for doing the emblems, so, you know, I don't know. Same with these. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the Z emblems back in there or not, or just make some sort of cover. I'm not going to cover it completely because that's the vent for the cabin, but yeah, same with the antenna hole. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, if I should just fill it or what, but yeah, priorities are that hole, and that should be about it. And you guys can, I don't know, I'll put it after this, me just fucking around welding on that. It's super sloppy welds. I'm not the greatest welder. I got a titanium Ultimate 200, unlimited 200, not ultimate. That'd be too cool. But yeah, it's a pretty good welder. I got gas on it, so that's all I cared about. I didn't want to have to be using flux core or anything like that. Let me turn off my bottles. But yeah, I've been driving this car around. It's been great. I put almost 1,000 miles on it already on the new motor, which is pretty good. Done a couple rips in it. It's a really fun car, but again, just getting the fuel the fuel pressure figured out for the 19-pound injectors on this engine with this ECU has been a little different, but I am getting there. Yeah, so if you want to see more videos like this, there'll probably be another one posted right after this, showing the blinkers and the lights and all that stuff. But yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be trying to do more Datsun content just because winter's pretty much here. It's fall, but you know, yeah, car's locked in here. It's in primer. I don't really want to drive it out in the rain. Don't have windshield wipers, but this is the state that it's in right now, and I'm just happy to be able to drive it. See you guys later. Peace.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their